Look out, I'm coming through like a wrecking ball, going through the room. I break out like I was born to do. Couldn't stop it if I wanted to. Real good, I'm feeling. Real talk, I break the ceiling. Real soon, I'll be swimming. You can find me in the deep end. I came here ready to go. Living la vida loco. No time to waste, pull out the brakes. I'ma take you away.
Hi, Ate Kiwi! Happy 7th birthday, anak! Always remember, good health is one of the top priority. Kahit magaling ka in every aspect of your life, if you're not in good health, hindi mo rin ma-achieve yung dreams mo. You need to trust yourself. All your dreams, just continue it. Your passion, whatever it is, we're always here for you. Even Daddy's not here, but Daddy's always here for you, okay? Just remember that. Always look back to all the persons kung sino man yung tumulong sa atin in every step of the way. Lastly, don't forget that God is always there. He's been there every aspect of our lives. Kung ano man yung status natin sa family, especially your sister, andun si God para sa atin. Huwag kang makakalimot na alagaan yung kapatid mo kahit ano pa ang mangyari. Because family is always there for you. I love you, anak. Enjoy your day. This is her day. Happy 7th birthday.
Catch my wave, you better keep up. Catch my wave, you better keep up. Look out, I'm shining bright, smiling like I got summertime, won't stop now. The vibe is right, couldn't stop it if I wanted to. Jump in, we get rolling, we just keep it going. Feels so good, overflowing. You can't find me in the deep end.
Yung mama niya at saka ako mag-first cousin. Happy birthday, Kiwi! And I hope na yung book mo ay sana ay maging successful at saka maging mabuti kang bata. Lagi mo susundan ng mama mo. Alagaan mo ang iyong kapatid. Study hard and sana lahat ng dreams mo ay matupad. Happy birthday, Kiwi! I love you!
Bigla ako na blanco no? Kasi iniisip ko, pupunta ako doon sa health card. Hi, Kiwi! Happy birthday! It's me always, Teacher Jane. My sweet little Kiwi. Always stay happy, healthy, and smart. Always keep that smile on your face. Love you!
If you're ready to go, living la vida loco. No time to waste, put off the brakes. I'ma take you away. Catch my wave, you better keep up. Catch my wave, you better keep up. Come on, let me tell you now. Catch my wave, you better keep up. 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 Come on, let me tell you now. Catch my wave, you better keep up. Catch my wave, you better keep up. I keep on rolling, I keep on rolling, I keep on rolling, rolling, rolling. I keep on rolling, I keep on rolling, I keep on rolling, rolling, rolling.
Okay, my birthday wish for my firstborn baby.
Pero wag na lang.
I'm very happy kung ano man yung meron siya ngayon. Good health, and I know how she did her best. Before we end this party, Kiwi and us has a surprise for everyone. And hindi man po lingid sa inyong lahat na kami lang kasing mag-iina yung, I nourished Kiwi by myself and by the guide of her dad, although yung malayo po yung daddy niya. So, ako po yung solely na nagpalaki sa mga anak ko. And we thank God kasi He gave us good health. Deserve po niya kung ano yung meron siya ngayon.
because mabait siyang bata at saka talagang pag may sinabi ako sa kanya, sumusunod po talaga siya. And remember what mommy always told you, anyone in this world, hindi ka lahat anak gugustuhin. So, wag darating sa point na kahit ayaw nila sa'yo, gagawan mo sila ng masama. Just do your best and be good always. And wag mong kalilimutan na magdasal because prayer is one of the best thing na yung faith mo kay Lord, yun talaga yung best na magdadala sa'yo kung saan ka paroroon. Mommy loves you and Daddy loves you always. And your sisters, okay?
I keep on rolling. I keep on rolling. I keep on rolling. Rolling.
Hi Ate Kiwi, happy 7th birthday. Keep up the good work and may you continue for being a kind and good role model to your younger sister. Always remember that Dad and Mom will always be here to guide and support you to fulfill your dreams in life. We always love you.